Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a Tuesday morning haul. I did post all these goodies on my Instagram last week. I just wasn't able to upload, but here I am today. And also I will link my Instagram, my Etsy store, and all those links down below in case you guys are new or don't know that I have an Instagram. And also, let me first share this tool that I found on eBay. It's a snap fastener set. I've been wanting to get one for a very long time. I just did not like the color of the tool itself. But thanks to this lovely lady on Instagram, she found a pink one. And she posted on her Instagram, and I saw, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And I was like, I need to get one. And I was looking around Amazon but couldn't find one, and I ended up finding it on eBay. And so I did find this last week also and posted a picture on Instagram. And I found this at, they're called Gold Star Tool, and they're on eBay. I will link their store down below. And they also have a website called goldstartool.com. Okay, and I got this with free shipping. It was only $19.99. $19.99 plus tax. So I paid $21.11. So such a great deal. And it came with all these color snaps. You get purple, pink, red, brown, black, and like a neon blue, yellow, and white. So that's what it looks like this on the. This was on the box, and those are the tools that you get in the box. Okay, and these are normally for fabric, but you know, we like using everything in our all of the tools that we can use on our paper crafts. So that's pretty cool. So it came like this. There's a tool. Okay. And then you get all these extra tools as well. And there's the extra adapters, I think you would call them. Okay, so that's my eBay share there real quick. Like I said, I will link their store down below. So let me share my Tuesday morning. I found this really pretty globe. It's gold. It's clear, really pretty, and I paid $9.99 for it. It's really pretty, you guys. So I really do like this. It's clear, it has gold, very nice. Okay, and it's a really good size too. So very excited about that. And what else? I had a small tag, but I don't know where it is. Okay, so let me start by showing you the other stuff. I did find these bows. They're $1.99, and these are from an older collection from Maggie Holmes. I thought they were really neat. So I did find two. I mean, the colors are not they're not as nice, but you know, it's nice to have for the collection. I think it's open book. Yeah, open book. So it's one of her older collections, and they did have more flourish. I really like these frames. I think they're such a great deal. They're only $1.99, and you can use for many other projects, not just, you know, for her collection. So I did find two of those, and then they did have some of these ephemera, $1.99, and this is from Confetti. They did have all this stuff last year, a lot of it, and so it's coming back around. And then some of this ephemera, the flowers, and also $1.99, so very good deal. I think last year, I'm not sure, but I think there were $2.99 some of these items. So that was pretty neat. And then here's the ephemera for Heritage, and also $1.99. And I think I've shared this with you guys before. They did have it at Joann's on clearance as well. And then the little charms, $2.99. And then they did have more of the paper. I shared this one on my last haul, I think. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what it looks like, but just in case. Joann's had this on clearance as well. A lot of loose paper, such great deals. And also the little wax stickers. These are really pretty. Okay. And then they did have the thickers as well. These are from Heritage. I did some rosettes with these a while back with this collection. And then they did have the stickers. This is by Heritage as well. It's not my favorite collection, but some of the stickers and some of the embellishments are really nice. And here's more of the flourish. This one I really like. They're $1.99. Okay, so that's it for my haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.